See why criticizing, condemning, complaining is bad. Let me tell you from the karmic entanglement point of view. So the story is like one king was doing the Brahmbhoj. Brahmbhoj means giving food to the Brahmins. Okay, and it was a big function. And earlier days it was done in the open. So the kheer, the milk and rice, that is the sweet dish, pot was taken from the kitchen to the serving room, and as it was taken, in the sky there was one kite or hawk or eagle, whatever, one bird you can take up, which had picked up the black cobra, and one drop of poison from that cobra fell into the kheer, the sweet dish, and it was served, and a few Brahmins died because of that poison. So the case went to the court of whose court? Yama and Chitragupta. Yama is the boss of the department, head of the department, and Chitragupta is the chartered accountant of that department, Yama's department. Now they had the trouble. You see, our friend Ramdas from Malaysia, he is an attorney, so he'll understand my philosophy better. Sometimes you see your law has ambiguity. Now you don't know to whose account shall you put this karma, because death of Brahmin is considered a very, very bad sin. Whose account should you put in? Should you put it into the king's account? No. King had absolutely noble intention. King wanted to feed people. So how can it, somebody's mistake, that cobra, that eagle took the cobra, from cobra's mouth one drop of poison came. So you can't put it into the king's account because it was not in the intention of king. So definitely not into the king's account. Can you put it into the account of cobra? Oh, cobra, it was normal. Cobra was suffering because eagle was about to eat, and naturally one drop of poison came down. So it's part of the nature. You can't put it into the cobra's account. Can you put it into the eagle's account? Oh, for eagle, cobra is a food. It's a part of the natural food cycle. So you can't put it into the eagle's account. Eagle is like always eating the cobra, and that's good. So that's part of the nature. You can't put it. Now you see, all the chartered accountants, they know. Okay, we have one chartered accountant. Hiral Dedia is a chartered accountant. All the chartered accountants, when they don't know something, they call it a secret account, suspense account, right? So they'll put it into the suspense account. And you see, many such items are there in the suspense account of Chitragupta. But you see, you can't tell it. Somewhere you have to put it under right heading, right? That karma file is there. It has to go to somebody. It just cannot remain in the suspense account. So this chartered accountant of Yama going wild now, not able to understand how to tally. And you see, he has to tally on a day-to-day basis. Otherwise, he can't close. He has to overnight wait in the office. He was in trouble. You see, one lady was criticizing somebody for no reason. And Chitragupta saw, oh, for no reason this lady is criticizing. Ask the boss, that's suspense account. Should we put into this lady's account? Boss said, yes, she deserves it. So it became a law ever since then. Whatever karmas are undecided and lying in the suspense account will be automatically credited to the person who is criticizing. And critics will pick up the very bad karmas which are in the suspense account because of the law, because there's an ambiguity in the law. You see, the chartered accountant, the lawyers, the attorney general, Mr. Ramdas will understand that sometimes our systems, it has a loopholes. We don't have the complete understanding and we don't know where it will go. So it has become a standard procedure in the court of Yama that whatever is lying in the suspense account, at the end of the day, it will go into somebody who is criticizing. All of you understood this story? So critics will invite the worst of the worst karmas of the suspense account done by somebody else. Illogical, absolutely illogical things will happen to critics. And I have seen in my lifetime, even enlightened masters cannot help a critic. Understand this. So criticism is the worst crime according to the court of Yama. All the worst of the worst sins will be credited to the critic's account. Do you understand this thing? If you know in your lifetime you will never criticize anybody. You see, even if I'm telling certain things, I will always make it a statement. I don't want to criticize anybody. I start with that statement because I really don't want to. I want to make a point, but I don't want to criticize anybody. So even if my language is like criticizing, I will make it clear that I'm not here to criticize anybody. I just want to make it a point. That's all. Because the critics will invite the worst of the worst sins on the planet Earth, and the story is very relevant, my dear friends. Now, what is karmic entanglement? Why did I tell you this story? Critics cannot receive love because of this karma, this story I told you. And relationship cannot improve. Anybody who is a critical in nature or critical in language, relationships absolutely impossible to improve. Okay, because of this story, if you understand that. Now, where comes the communion of loving vibrations in such a case? Absolutely impossible. You understood? These are the cases of karmic entanglement. Masters know how to sort out this thing. Let me tell you the secret. We raise the vibrations through the Bhairav Mudra. Okay. And criticism vibrations cannot reach to you. So one can protect from criticism oneself. In fact, I developed a program on how to thrive on criticism. Forget about protecting. You can actually thrive on criticism. But you see, that is for the masters. Now, someone who is a critic and wanting to improve the relationship, absolutely impossible. Unless one comes out of the pattern of criticism, absolutely impossible that person can experience the loving vibration in that relationship. In other relationships, very much possible. But in that relationship, not possible. So I have given you an amazing insight through this story and karmic entanglement. Mahavatar Babaji gave me this as a solution, this story and the aspect of loving vibration, because this story and the loving vibration has the whole new world of solutions for the planet Earth, my dear friends. Absolutely amazing technology will emerge from this. Right in this, I'm going to teach you the entire technology, but breakthrough is this story. So remember this story, remember the suspense account. And now onward, do not criticize anybody, because that day's whatever entries are there in the suspense account will come to the critic. Understand this. Okay. So be very careful and get into the loving mode, my dear friends.